Good day, everyone. I'm going to be talking about how to use Unimate and Balance from Unicity. And it's two products. You've got two sachets. You've got one Unimate to extract from the yerba mate plant. And you've got a Balance fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And you're going to have two of these a day and one of these before your dinner meal. The old system, if you have the old system, it's the reverse. So you have two balances, one Unimate, but in this system, it's the new updated one. It's a Unimate, so in your monthly kit, you're gonna get two of these boxes, 30 for the morning breakfast and 30 for after lunch, and then 30 Balance fiber, vitamins, and minerals for your evening meal. Okay, so what you do is you're gonna have this one, you get the bottle with it, the bottle comes in with it, and you add the water, bring the water right up to the top, put in the yerba mate extract, shake it up, sip this throughout the morning. It's going to increase your GLP-1, keep your insulin levels low, gives you energy, reduces fat burning, increases fat burning, reduces your brain fog, and it helps you to avoid that snacking, that hunger first thing in the morning, and really curbs your appetite, and also gives you all the vitamins and minerals you need. It's got almost 20 vitamins and minerals your body needs, also amino acids for your muscles. And then at lunchtime, you have a moderate sized meal, right? Just eat till you're satisfied, and then have a second Unimate in the afternoon, sipping on that throughout the afternoon time. Again, improving your gut health, absorption, you're getting everything, all the proper nutrients. And then dinner time comes. At dinner time, you're gonna have a larger meal, right? If you're gonna snack, save your snacks for after dinner, have a dessert, like group everything together. So dinner time at 6, again, back to lunchtime at 12. So you're doing almost 16 to 18 hours fasting a day. If you can't do that much fasting, go less, like 12 hours, 14 hours, it's totally fine. Eat regular food if you want nutrition. I mean, we do give the nutrition guides and everything else with it, and exercise. But if you wanna just eat the regular foods, it's fine as well. So this goes in the bottle, but you put in that much water and then put the powder second. Always put the powder, the extract second, shake it up, drink it. Okay, drink this one right away. The Unimate you're sipping in the morning and sipping in the afternoon. It won't break your fast. It's about 10 calories. Anything over 15 will break your fast. Now, this one, the Balance, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, soluble and insoluble, you're going to drink this right away and then have your meal right away. So it's going to lower the glycemic index of your food. It's going to help you to burn fat for fuel. It's going to give you the energy. It's going to lower the insulin spike that you get, and also support healthy gut microbiome. So it's going to help improve your gut health, and it's also going to feed your natural probiotics in your system with the natural prebiotics, which is fiber, vitamins, and minerals that feed your gut. So healthy gut is a healthy mind, and a healthy gut is a healthy body. On top of it, this is also solving the problem of metabolic syndrome. So you're improving your metabolism. I'm in my 50s, I feel like in my 40s. I'm at a weight that I have not been since I was back in my 20s. That's all thanks to the system. I was told, hey, you eat regular food and go ahead and use this, and I dropped 17 pounds in 7 weeks. I thought I had about 15 on me. Over time, 31 pounds. Got rid of fatty liver, cholesterol, blood pressures back to normal, no more cravings. My hormones are back on track, testosterone came up, you name it, I feel great. And on top of it, I lost some weight as well. So anyways, guys, if you guys need help, reach out. I'll have the link down in the bio if you haven't bought it yet, but you can go down and have a look, and you can also message me there as well if you have questions, and just comment if any other questions or concerns, and I'd be happy to help. All right, guys, well, take care, and if I haven't covered anything, please add into the comments. Take care, everyone, bye.